Hello everyone, Zin with you, and today we'll show you how to get your Verizon transfer PIN and account number. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your phone and open the phone calls and dial hashtag 7678. Once you dial it, you should see here a message that will pop out. Once you see this message, you can hang on or turn off the call. Then go to messages right here on your phone. Then go to the first option, Verizon notifications, and go to the link that they have sent you. And this link will prompt you directly to the application or a website like so, My Verizon application or the website. They will ask you to sign in using your account, using your credentials, using your fingerprint, your PIN, whatever. Once you sign in, here you can see this option, generate PIN. Just click on generate PIN, and it will tell you exactly the PIN and the account number, both of them, and this will expire in 7 days duration. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.